Oh my god. Should I distract Scraps? Yo. Should I distract Scraps? I mean, I wouldn't mind distracting her. Frick, there she is. Okay. Not, I'll distract Scraps. Just because I want to. I'm gonna move.